How to create Google Meet link on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Meet application on your phone. Once you're in the app, you'll land on the main screen. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the New button to begin. On this page, you can either create a new link, schedule a meeting for later, or start a group call instantly. Go ahead and tap on Create Link. A new window will pop up showing the link here. Copy the link as shown. Then, tap on the Share button located at the bottom left. The Share sheet will open up, giving you various options. From here, find and tap on Messages. Choose a recipient and tap on the Send arrow to send the link. Following these steps, you can easily create a Google Meet link on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.